when I said I'll never let you
right?
go. When all those shadows almost killed your light, I remember you said don't leave me here alone.
Well, are you
But all
lost?
that's dead and
No.
gone and past
I
me
know where I am. Do you know where you are?
I can see this is gonna be fun.
Just
Alright, let's save time here, Benny. Tell me what you're up
the
to.
sun is
You always
going
seem
down.
paranoid or is it just
You'll
bored?
be
Why do you always assume I'm up to something?
Because you're you. You remember what I told you before, right? Mess with the Tenkai Knights, and you'll have to deal with me.
Thanks for the warning. Now, if you don't mind, I've got to tell the zoo that one of their cuckoos is missing. Why does he even care about them? I was right. You are lost.
Don't you dare look out your window, darling, everything's on fire.
What now? What do you want?
Seems like Guren's story struck a nerve.
Why don't you just mind your own business?
And that thing around your neck?
Yeah, what about it?
That's not my business either, I suppose. I've got a feeling that thing's important and you're trying to hide it from us.
Us? There you go again. You think you really belong with those guys, don't you? That's where we're different. You and I don't belong anywhere. But at least I know it. See ya! I thought you and those baseball were best friends forever now. How come you're not down with it? Starting to have second thoughts?
No, nothing like that. I'm gonna join them in that.
Whatever. If you really want to give up your freedom and tie yourself down, go right ahead.
Actually, I was hoping you should. Benny, wanna come? We're having a barbecue.
What? Get out of here. I was just joking around last time. I wouldn't be caught dead with you guys. I'm a lone wolf.
Just being friendly. Anyway, see you around.
Clover? So you were here? Right here all this time? Looking for one of these to give to me? They're supposed to bring you happiness. Where's a good luck? Anyway, it's for you, because you're my friend. My best new friend.